Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for electric vehicle news and updates. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more similar content like this. Toyota has only itself to blame for its current position in the race. It had all of the advantages it needed to establish an insurmountable lead, but it squandered them, allowing younger firms like Tesla to take the lead. The Japanese behemoth, on the other hand, has awoken from its slumber and is making a resurgence befitting of its stature. In EVE, a firm is unveiled that shocks the whole automobile industry. How is Toyota regaining its place at the forefront of electric vehicle development? And the corporation has revealed one, UAV. Join us as we delve into Toyota's all-new TV, which has shocked the whole automotive industry. The Prius was the first mass-produced hybrid automobile in the world, years ahead of its competitors. The initial model, a compact sedan, was a traditional Toyota that was ideal for commuting. After a big revamp in 2004, sales skyrocketed. The Prius had an instantly recognizable profile when it returned, and the car's mix of fuel economy and utility was unrivaled. They were quickly picked up. Even celebrities looking to bolster their environmental credentials were enamored with the vehicle. For example, Leonardo DiCaprio drove one to the 2008 Academy Awards. As the Prius hybrid technology improved over time, it began to appear in other Toyota models. Lexus, a luxury manufacturer, has hybridized some of its vehicles and SUVs, ranging from the little Prius C to the three-row Highlander. Toyota has maintained a leader in environmentally friendly vehicles as a result of its previous triumphs. Its fuel-efficient cars and crossovers offset emissions from its larger trucks and SUVs, giving it a competitive advantage in terms of fuel efficiency. By May of 2012, Toyota had sold 4 million Prius vehicles around the world. Things began to change a month later, when Tesla unveiled the Model S, a car that stunned the automotive industry and quickly dethroned Toyota's hybrid as the green transportation leader. The new automobile demonstrated that while long-range EVs are expensive, they can be both practical and attractive. Battery developments are expected to lower prices, bringing EVs closer to parity with gas-powered vehicles. Toyota's biggest blunder was misinterpreting what Tesla stood for. Toyota did invest in Tesla, but not as a threat, but as a minor player who could assist Toyota in meeting its EV mandate. In some ways, the point of view was correct. Toyota's global volume surpassed that of the little US manufacturer, and the two didn't compete in the same market for the most part. Hybrids were merely a stopgap until Toyota's hydrogen fuel cell technology was ready. At the time, the business believed that hydrogen vehicles, with their extended range and easy refilling, would render electric vehicles obsolete. It's the next biggest blunder. Toyota inexplicably missed the subtle shift that was happening. Hybrids were a bridge to cleaner fuels. However, Toyota underestimated the length of the bridge. Toyota dismissed Tesla into EVs in the same way BlackBerry dismissed the iPhone. BlackBerry believed that the world would require physical keyboards for many years to come. Toyota believed that the world would require gasoline for several decades more. Both were incorrect. Toyota is now in an awkward situation because it is tethered to hybrids and wagering its future on hydrogen. Governments throughout the world are rushing to ban all fossil fuel vehicles, and they're doing so far faster than Toyota anticipated, thanks to falling pricing and expanded charging infrastructure. Fuel cell automobiles are unlikely to be available in time. Toyota's hydrogen fuel cell experiment has failed miserably. Fuel cell vehicle sales haven't set the globe on fire. Even when paired with hundreds of dollars worth of hydrogen, the Mirai continues to be a slow seller. Toyota, on the other hand, is gradually waking up from its self-induced stupor. Everyone knows that electric vehicles are the way of the future, and now is the best time to get involved. Or they could completely miss the boat. Toyota, on the other hand, continues to enjoy a significant market share advantage as one of the world's largest automakers. The company has the financial resources, sales expertise, and technical know-how to become a major player in the electric vehicle market. Toyota, for example, has multiple patents in the field of battery technology as a result of its many years of hybrid production. It is also a leader in the field of solid-state battery research. Toyota may be the first to market an electric vehicle with a solid-state battery. Toyota, like another heritage car maker, has declared its plans to transition to an electric vehicle lineup. By 2030, the business plans to invest $4 trillion or $35 billion in a full line of 30 battery-powered electric vehicles. According to the CEO, Akio Toyoda, the goal is to grow global sales of battery electric vehicles by 3.5 million units per year by the end of the decade. Toyota plans to raise new battery technology investments from $500 billion, $4.4 billion, to $2 trillion. It will be part of Toyota's larger $4 trillion investment in battery electric vehicles, which would comprise both capital spending and research and development for Lexus, the company's luxury brand. By 2020, Toyota wants battery electric vehicles to account for 100% of vehicle sales in Europe, North America, and China, and 20% of worldwide vehicle sales by 2035. Toyota has created a new brand to pursue its electric vehicle goals. BSE, or Beyond Zero Emissions, is a term used to describe the name that represents Toyota's commitment to leave a mission of producing vehicles behind. The first car in the series, the BBC 4X, demonstrates that the firm is serious about this new approach. It is informing the 4X markets that the automobile maker's lineup includes a compact SUV alongside the Toyota RAV4. The 4X are built on the Eton electric vehicle platform, which was created in collaboration with Subaru. The chassis will be used in the Subaru Terror electric SUV, which Toyota claims has a spacious open cabin and back legroom equal to the Lexus Alex luxury sedan. From the start, two models will be available: a front-wheel drive single-motor entry-level car with a tentative range of more than 280 miles, and a twin-motor four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive model with a range of more than 255 miles. The Toyota V4X has a low roofline for an SUV, but thanks to a sleek and hollowed-out center console and a low-set window line, the interior nevertheless seems wide and airy. This, paired with an 8-way electrically adjustable seat that comes standard on Motion models and puts this issue rather high up, contributes to good forward visibility. The bulky back pillars limit rear visibility, but that's no problem because all models come with a reversing camera, extended range topping vision models, rear parking sensors, and a remote-controlled parking assist feature. The instrument panel is mounted high on the dashboard, and the steering wheel is low, evoking the cockpit arrangement of the Pogo. Because the top of a standard steering wheel can block off the lower half of the dials when adjusted in certain locations, Toyota definitely built the 4X layout with a yoke steering wheel in mind. Steering by wire refers to the fact that the yoke or steering wheel is not mechanically connected to the front tires. Instead, the car employs software to calculate the amount of tire rotation. Both the yoke and steer-by-wire offer advantages when moving the yoke, albeit some drivers may not like them. With a 12-inch landscape-oriented screen, Toyota offers a cinematic infotainment experience in higher-spec automobiles. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. And lastly, leave a like as it will really help out our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.